Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study English with Seema Saini. I'm Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. Today we will discuss
Article speech writing for class 11th and 12th.
So stay with me till the end. Let's start.
Article 1, first of all write heading like this. Work is worship. This is most important question. Then write content like this. The best form of worship is doing one's duty honestly and sincerely. Work is worship is a very apt saying. It holds good in all religions of the world. There is no true religion that places formal worship above work. The best service to God is to make His world a better place to live in. It is possible only if all men perform their allotted work honestly. All great men of the world have underlined the importance of work in life. Rest is rust. God helps those who help themselves. Hard work is the key to success. We live in deeds, not in years. All these proverbs express the same idea. All work, however humble, is honorable. Work gives dignity to life. Life without work is like a body without soul. God does not live in temples, nor can He be pleased by chanting hymns and telling beads. God lives in any place where the workers work, and He can be pleased if we join hands with such workers. Then write written by Meena. Means write your name. If name is mentioned in the question, then write that name. If name is not mentioned in the question, then you can write out of your mind, or you can write ABC or XYZ. Article 2, first of all write heading like this. Effect of inflation, or you can write rising prices on society. Then write content like this. The prices of essential commodities like gas, pulses, vegetables, etc. are going up day by day. An LPG cylinder now costs around rupees 800. Pulses are selling around rupees 90 per kg. Even such simple vegetables as potatoes and onion have gone beyond the reach of the common man. Things that were easily available in plenty and very reasonable prices have suddenly disappeared from the market. The poor consumer is left at the mercy of traders and shopkeepers. They charge anything they like from the helpless consumer. There is no one who can check this exploitation and profiteering. The government seems to be unconcerned about the problems being faced by the common man. It is only such situations that lead to public unrest and ugly rioting situations. It is high time that the government took suitable measures to bring down the prices of essential commodities. Strict action should be taken against hoarders and profiteers. There is no real dearth of anything in the market. It has only been created. The government should not look the other way. It should ensure that people get all essential commodities at reasonable prices. The public distribution system should be geared up. Then write contributed by. Then you can write your name like Punit. Article 3, first of all write heading like this. Health is wealth. This is most important question. Then write content like this. It has rightly been said that health is wealth. Health is our real wealth. It is the honey of our life. It enables us to enjoy our life. Without good health, there can be no pleasure in life. A man may be very rich. He may have much wealth. He may have many servants, but all this is useless if he does not have good health. We can work hard only if we have good health. Our hard work can then lead us to success. So, we can say that the real secret of success is good health. If we have good health, our mind will also be healthy. Healthy mind in a healthy body is a well known saying. Just as the safety of a building depends on its strong foundations, so also the longevity of life depends on one's good health. A sick man remains a burden not only on those among whom he lives, but also on the entire society. He can do nothing worthwhile for those among whom he lives or for the society. Therefore, one must keep oneself fit as a fiddle. The weaker one always goes to the wall. Then write contributed by, then write name. If name is mentioned in the question, then write that name. If name is not mentioned, then write out of your mind, or you can write ABC or XYG. Question 4. While traveling from Dharamshala to Mandi, you saw children working at shops, dhabas, tea stalls, etc. You decided to write an article on the problem of child labor for a popular fortnightly magazine. This is most important question. So first of all, write heading like this, the problem of child labor. Then write content like this. In India, it is a common sight to see little children working at shops, dhabas, tea stalls and in factories. Poor children are forced to work in very dirty and inhuman conditions. They are forced to work for very long hours but are paid very poorly. They are not provided even basic facilities at their places of work. There is a total lack of sanitation, safe drinking water, and proper lighting. Children fall victims to many diseases. Our government has framed law against child labor, but like other laws, these laws are on paper only. They are not implemented in their true spirit. The concerned authorities turn their face away from this evil. I think it should be made obligatory for parents to send their children to school up to the age of 16 at least. It will help to solve the problem of child labor. It is the moral duty of all of us to fight against this evil wholeheartedly. Social organizations should come forward to eradicate this evil. Then write article by, then write name like Nikhil. Question 5. Suppose you are Dinesh of 10, Ramnagar Sarkaghat. You have been asked by the lecturer in English of your school to write an article on the place of women in Indian society for your school journal. This is important question. First of all, write heading like this, the place of women in Indian society. Then write content like this. In ancient India, women were held in high esteem. They were adored like goddesses. But due to various historical reasons, the condition of women became pitiable in the 17th and 18th centuries. Their status in society fell very low. It led to evils like prostitution, polygamy, female infanticide, and sati. The sad plight of women stirred the conscience of many right-thinking men, like Raja Ram Mohan Roy. It was mainly due to his efforts that the sati system was abolished. The other social reformers also championed the cause of women. The Hindu Widows Remarriage Act was passed in 1856. The Child Marriage Restraint Act was passed in 1929. The Hindu Women's Right to Property Act was passed in 1937, but still there was much to be desired. After independence, many new schemes have been undertaken to improve the lot of women. Women are now successfully competing with men in all walks of life. They have proved to be good administrators, doctors, lawyers, teachers, engineers, and even defense officers. Gone are the days when the worth of a female child was lamented in the family. Women now live a life of freedom and breathe fresh air. Then write article written by, then write name which is mentioned in the question. If name is not mentioned in the question, then write out of your mind and you can write ABC or XYG. Article 6, first of all write heading like this, live and let live. This is important article. Then write content like this, the present day world is torn by strife and hatred. There are power blocks in the world. One block is trying to overpower the other. One nation is at war with the other nation. Even within a nation, there is no peace. There are class struggles and communal fights. It is a pity that while man has dwelt intellectually, he has degenerated spiritually and emotionally. He is full of jealousy and hatred for his fellow beings. He has become beastly in his behavior. This emotional degeneration has brought mankind to the brink of destruction. Man will have to change his way of thinking if he wants to save mankind from extinction. He should look on his fellow mortals as creations of the same God. He should believe in universal brotherhood. Live and let live should be the motto of each one of us. Others will let us live only if we let them live. We can't hope to live in peace if we disturb the peace of others. Article 7, first of all write heading like this, the evil of drug addiction. This is most important article. Then write content like this, drug addiction is becoming very common among our youth. The evil is more rampant in big cities than in small towns. Perhaps the youth find their life too tiring and burdensome, and as an escape from it, they take to drugs. Very often, love of fun and new thrill makes the beginning. Sometimes, parents themselves become the cause of pushing their children into the evil. They are either too strict or have no time to look after them. The young ones feel neglected. In most cases, parents lay high hopes on their sons and daughters. They use bitter words when their words fall short of their expectations. Even those who do well in their studies are not able to get any good jobs. They feel that all their education has been useless and purposeless. Finding themselves faced with a hostile and indifferent world, the helpless youth take to drugs. By doing this, they seem to forget their problems and miseries at least for some time. They little realize that by doing so, they are inviting their own doom.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए. Till then, bye. Take care.